Good morning, everyone. Today, I am speaking in favor of the idea of a world without boundaries. Imagine a world where people can travel, work, study, and live anywhere without visas, passports, or border checks. There would be no separation between countries. We would see ourselves as citizens of one world. Many problems happen because countries are divided. Border disputes often lead to tensions and even wars. If there were no boundaries, such conflicts could be reduced significantly. For example, countries in Europe have created the Schengen area, where people can move freely between many nations. This has improved tourism, business, and cultural exchange. A world without boundaries could promote peace, unity, and equal opportunities for everyone.
While the idea sounds attractive, I strongly disagree. Boundaries exist for important reasons. Every country has its own culture, laws, government, and way of life. Boundaries help protect these differences. Imagine if there were no boundaries at all. Managing security would become extremely difficult. Countries would have no control over who enters or leaves. For example, India has different laws and policies than many other nations. Without borders, it would be challenging to enforce laws and maintain order. Boundaries also help countries protect their resources and ensure the safety of their citizens. Therefore, a world without boundaries may create more problems than solutions.
I support the motion because boundaries often create divisions among people. When we hear words like foreigner or outsider, they sometimes create unnecessary barriers. But at the end of the day, all humans share similar hopes and dreams. Without boundaries, talented people could move freely and contribute wherever their skills are needed. A doctor from one region could help patients in another without complicated restrictions. We already see how globalization connects the world through technology, trade, and communication. Removing boundaries would be the next step toward greater cooperation. Instead of competing as countries, we could work together as one global community.
I respectfully oppose this idea. A country is more than just a piece of land. It represents history, culture, language, traditions, and identity. If boundaries disappear, smaller cultures may slowly lose their uniqueness. People may feel disconnected from their national heritage. Let us take India as an example. Our nation has a rich culture and traditions that we proudly preserve. Boundaries help protect our sovereignty and identity. Also, economic differences between regions could cause serious challenges. Millions of people might move to a few wealthy areas, creating pressure on jobs, housing, and public services. Therefore, boundaries play an important role in maintaining balance and stability.
Thank you, Rohit and Kajal. You both mentioned security and culture. However, boundaries themselves do not guarantee peace or safety. Many wars in history have happened because of territorial disputes. A world without boundaries does not mean a world without laws. We can still have international rules and systems to maintain security. Regarding culture, I believe cultures become stronger when they interact with others. Indian food, yoga, Bollywood, and festivals are loved across the world today because people connect beyond borders. Instead of losing culture, we can share and celebrate it globally.
Thank you, Ishan. You say international laws can replace borders. But who will enforce these laws? Different countries have different priorities and values. For example, some nations have strict laws, while others have more relaxed systems. Creating one system for the entire world would be extremely difficult. You also mentioned cultural exchange. Cultural exchange is already happening through travel, education, and the internet. We do not need to remove boundaries completely for that. Boundaries help countries cooperate while still maintaining order.
I would like to respond to Kajal's point. Throughout history, humans have continuously expanded cooperation. States became nations, nations formed international organizations, and countries now work together on global issues. Problems like climate change, pandemics, and pollution do not stop at borders. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the whole world had to work together. A world without boundaries could encourage stronger cooperation and faster solutions to such global challenges. If we can unite for problems, why not unite for opportunities as well?
Thank you, Nirja. Global cooperation is important, but cooperation does not require removing boundaries. Organizations such as the United Nations already allow countries to work together while remaining independent. Let us also think about economic impact. Wealthier regions may attract huge populations, while poorer regions could lose skilled workers. This could increase inequality rather than reduce it. Boundaries help governments plan development, manage resources, and support their citizens effectively.
As we move toward the future, the world is becoming more connected every day. Students study abroad, businesses operate globally, and people communicate instantly through technology. A world without boundaries could reduce discrimination based on nationality and create equal opportunities for all. Imagine a talented student from a remote village being able to study anywhere in the world without restrictions. Such freedom could unlock human potential on a global scale.
Freedom is important, but it must be balanced with responsibility and management. Without boundaries, governments may struggle to provide healthcare, education, jobs, and security for rapidly changing populations. Boundaries are not necessarily walls that divide people. They can be frameworks that help societies function smoothly. Instead of removing boundaries, we should focus on improving international cooperation and reducing conflicts. I would like to conclude by saying that boundaries are human-made, not natural. The Earth belongs to all humanity. A world without boundaries could encourage greater understanding, reduce prejudice, and help people focus on what unites us rather than what separates us. While challenges would exist, human history shows that we can adapt and create new systems when needed. I believe the dream of a united world is worth exploring. Thank you.
To conclude, boundaries are essential for security, governance, culture, and economic stability. A borderless world may sound ideal, but practical realities cannot be ignored. Countries need the ability to make decisions, protect their citizens, and preserve their identities. Rather than removing boundaries, we should build stronger friendships across them. That approach provides both cooperation and stability. Thank you.